Okay, I'm reloaded.
C10, yeah, that's all that I see. Hit the club, everybody on me. Niggas mad cause they wanna be me. Ain't no other man that I'd rather be. On my chest, I got VVs. On her chest, she got DDs. Eating good like I'm greedy. Know I make it look easy.
YouTube what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave, I am the bridge, man. Now right now, son, so y'all see what's going on with Bitcoin, man. First and foremost, Arizona vibes. I'm gonna show y'all the views real quick, man. Something slight. But yeah, Arizona vibes, man. I know I look like a poo putt, man. I kind of just woke up. My man's got all these shoes. Sheesh, what's your shoe collection looking like? But let's talk about Bitcoin, man. I don't know if y'all been watching. I don't know how many of y'all are like invested in Bitcoin, but bro, everything is fucking dropping. All cryptos, like my crypto portfolio is looking crazy right now, son. So we about to talk about that, just cause like it's been dropping and I know y'all want to know what's about to happen next. So I'm about to show y'all what's about to happen next. Just a little tip, man. Whenever you see cryptos dropping, that's a perfect time for you to actually get in. Shout out to everybody who's in the Discord. Shout out to everybody who's a part of the bridge. We've been telling y'all to get y'all positions in Bitcoin, get your positions in Mana and Sand, all the cryptos. We've been telling y'all to do it. Y'all been doing it. And now y'all should be up. Everybody should be in profit. But I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a trade that we had within the team. Alright? I don't got my tripod either, man, you feel me? But we gonna get straight to it. Here we go. Alright, so let's get into it. So pretty much, man, as you can see right now, we're looking at Bitcoin. This is a daily chart right here. So I think this happened on Saturday, but this entire move right here, like, yo, everybody was panicking. You feel me? Like everybody. Let me change the color right here. Let me change that to white. Everybody was panicking. People saying, oh, it's a crash. It's the crash of Bitcoin. Sell all your Bitcoins. Like that joint went all the way down to 41 bands. 41 bands. And it's crazy because I told everybody on TikTok, because I be streaming live on TikTok. I told everybody, I knew for a fact it was going to come down to 52. I knew it was going to come down to 52 just because of this area right here. I didn't expect it to blow past it like it did, but as you can see, like even though it did blow past it, you see it went right back up to 52. You feel me? So I already knew like 52,000 was definitely a key area. It is going up. Let's go down to a 4-hour chart. So it did break structure. If you are like a new trader and you don't know how to restructure, just go to the line chart. This is how I like to do it. You go to the line chart and it's a lot easier to see. Boom. I'm not a teacher or nothing like that, you feel me? So look, it broke structure right here. So now it might come back, retest it, then continue to go up. Or it's gonna come back, retest it, and then make some kind of move. You feel me? It might do that, it might hit it, respect it, or that shit might come down, drop past it. Cause you do got this double bottom down below. And that shit come right back up to it. Or boom. You feel me? So those are like the two possibilities, two things that can't happen. Shit, what's gonna happen? I don't really know. I do definitely want Bitcoin to go up. Why? Because I'm invested in Bitcoin, of course. But at the end of the day, shit, I'm not a fortune teller. You're not a fortune teller. All these people say, oh, Bitcoin's gonna do this. Like nobody really knows at the end of the day. You feel me? So hopefully it goes up. These are the levels. This is where I'm looking to get in. I'm already in Bitcoin right now, but let me show y'all something to where, because just me explaining this just now, a lot of people probably don't understand what I just said. You know, now I never really analyzed charts on YouTube before, so I guess this is my first time doing it. Yeah, I just don't like doing this, but I'm gonna do it. And you see, I'm doing it, man. I'm doing this shit for y'all, man. I'm doing this shit for y'all. All right, but what was I about to say? Damn. So a lot of people, you probably didn't even understand what I just said, and that's completely fine. Let's say you're a beginner when it comes to like cryptos, and you don't know how to even get into cryptos. You don't know how to read the chart, but you want to invest. You see everybody talking about cryptos, and you want to be a part of that. I'm gonna show you one of the softwares that we have. Now before I show you, man, like, oh, here we go. He about to sell us. He about to sell us. Listen, man, I'm gonna just put you on some money. You ain't gotta get it if you ain't want to, man. But it's like, yo, it's literally telling you exactly what to do. All you gotta do is copy it. Alright, so let's go back to it. Let's get back to it. So this right here is one of the apps that you get when you become a member of the bridge, you feel me? When you start working with me and my investment group. So pretty much this app is called Swipecoin, and the whole point of it, it literally just gives out trades. It's a scanner and it scans the markets 24/7. You feel me? Damn. Yo, what's up, bro? Get me right. Fucking light, man. That should be blowing me. But it scans the market 24/7. You literally don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is just follow the directions. This is the platform right here. So as you can see, the time Monday, December 6th at 10:30 is when they gave out the signals a day ago. The entry is at 48868, and then there was a buy. Alright. Now once you come to the screen, it's telling you exactly what to do. This is the I guess you could say the key area right here, and it says break and close above $48,814 and confirms a buy. So you zoom in a little bit. Like, I could be a brand new person, you could be a brand new person. You just log into your platform, you see the symbol, it's telling you what to do, it's telling you to buy, it's telling you the entry, and then it's also giving you like a visual, so now you can actually see exactly like how it's supposed to look. A break and close above 48814. Let's go back to like the real chart. Let me delete these. Let me put a line on here, and we're gonna put it at 48814. 48814. That's the entry. This is where it's telling us to get in at. Alright, 48814. This white line I'm showing you. So let's go into the hour chart, and it said a break and close above 48814. So this signal was this is where the signal was right here. So let me see if I can find it. So this is where you got the signal. You got the signal in this area right here. A break and close above this white line. So we zoom in a little bit. It broke right here. This candle. This candle right here. It broke above this white line and it closed above this white line. As soon as that happens, like if I'm a brand new person, if I'm you, I wake up in the morning or whenever I get this signal, I log into my platform, I see it, it's telling me where to get in, it's telling me what to do, buy or sell, then it's giving me an actual visual of what to do. I see the line, I'll go to my broker, I'll draw the line, and I'll wait for something to happen. It said break and close above 48814, 48814, boom. And right here, a broken close above, and I'm buying it. And look, like this is what happened after that. This is the result. You feel me? That could have been $2,500 right there. You feel me? That could have been $250, $2,500, $25,000. You feel me? Like that's pretty much, that's profit right there that you could have had access to, and all you really had to do is copy. You know, but when it comes to Bitcoin, like Bitcoin's definitely going to 100,000. You feel me? Like there's no question about it. In my opinion, Bitcoin is definitely going to 100,000. I already knew it was gonna drop, or I figured it was gonna drop, just because the 52,000 was like a real key level, or still is. But just the fact that it dropped, and just the fact it dropped so hard and so fast, pause, I know that a lot of people are getting scared. I knew people who had a lot of Bitcoin and they start getting rid of their positions because they saying, oh, the crash is coming, the crash is coming. The crash is not coming, son. Not with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the future, man. Bitcoin is, listen, man, the Staples Center is now crypto.com. You feel me? Crypto.com arena. So it's like, yo, man, if you want to get access to what I just showed you, if you want to start investing in Bitcoin, investing in cryptos, like that's the wave. You feel me? Yeah, we still trading Forex. Yeah, we on the NFT wave. Yeah, HFX is popping. Yeah, networking is popping. Yeah, we making money on the internet. We making money on YouTube. But cryptocurrencies is a great way for you to really like come up, because you gotta really think, like, we are living in the gold rush era. You know, when, excuse me, when they start first discovering gold and how everybody's like going crazy, that's what's happening right now, bro. Crypto's gold 2.0. So do not be that person 20 years from now telling your kids like, yeah, you know, I knew about Bitcoin when it was 50,000 and it dropped down to 40,000. Now it's worth 200,000. I could have had some, but you know, like, don't be that person. Don't be that old person who shoulda, coulda, woulda when your chance is right now and you can do it right now. All right. I'll talk to y'all later, man. I know I wear this hoodie damn near every day, man. Cop a hoodie, man. Link in the description. Join my team. Link in the description. Get this money with us. You already know how it go, man. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk. I'm what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.